Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set glass icon on Samsung. So, if you have seen iPhone glass icon and you want to set similar glass icon on your Samsung phone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, you want to know that there are some Samsung devices that will not be able to set this particular glass icon on their phone, especially if you are unable to download the needed software to customize your Samsung icons just like this. Now, let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Play Store application. Click on search at the bottom right. Now, click on search. Search for Icon Park Studio. Click on it. Now, go ahead, download and install the Icon Park Studio on your Samsung phone. So this is the first software you need to download and install on your Samsung phone. Now, go ahead and open the Icon Park Studio. Then, once open it, go ahead and click on the search button. Here, you need to search for this particular icons. It's called the glass glow icon. So go ahead and search for glass glow icon. Click on it. Then you should see the theme used effect. This particular theme used ambient light and shadow for you to have the glass icon on your Samsung phone. So go ahead, click on download. Now hang on for the glass glow icon to download from the icon pack. If you click on it, this is what you're going to see. Click on apply. Then click on OK from the pop. Now click on OK again. Now you want to hang on for the glass glow icon pack to download on your phone. Then once you see the pop that your icon pack is ready, click on OK. Then you should see the icon pack downloaded in APK format. Now, in some cases, you'll not be able to install APK on your Samsung phone without turning off auto blocker. So go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings, scroll down until you get to security and privacy. Click on it. Now scroll down. If auto blocker is enabled, you need to go ahead and turn off auto blocker. Now, once you turn off auto blocker, exit this. And if you couldn't find auto blocker easily, click on search at the top right. Now go ahead and search for auto blocker. Select it and make sure you turn off auto blocker. Once you turn off auto blocker, the next thing you want to do again is go ahead and open the Play Store application. Click on search. Search for the Good Lock application. Then click on it. Now you should be able to identify the official Good Lock application for Samsung phones. So locate this icon to download the official Good Lock application for all Samsung devices that support the Good Lock application. If you are not using Good Lock application, you can also use the Find Lock application. Both the Good Lock application and the Find Lock application works the same way. After that, go back to the app menu. Search for Good Lock app. Click on it. Now, once the Good Lock application opens, click on Theme Pack. And then make sure you click on the option to download and install the theme pack. With the theme pack, you will be able to customize the glass icon, or you'll be able to customize your theme's icon. With the theme pack extension, you will be able to use the glass icon we downloaded from Icon Pack Studio. Then go ahead and open theme pack. Hang on for the theme pack to open. Once theme pack opens, locate icon and click on it. Then you should see your default icon. Now click on create new. Once you click on create new, you want to hang on a couple of seconds. Then go ahead and click on icon pack. Then if you scroll down, it should say the icon pack you exported or downloaded from Icon Pack Studio. Then click on it. Then it should say loading image. Hang on for the image to be loaded. Once the image is loaded, then it should say the icon like this. Click on this download arrow at the top right. Then give this a name. I'm just going to say glass icon. Now, once you give it a name, go ahead and click on OK. Then it should say please wait. Hang on a couple of seconds. And then after that, it should say the glass icon under theme pack. Now go ahead and click on glass icon. Click on apply. Then it should say changing settings. Then you want to hang on. This is going to apply the new glass icon to your Samsung phone icons. Now go back. Then you should have this glass icon on your Samsung. Then you should have all your icons change from whatever color they are to the glass icon. So you can just search through and see if there is any other icon that is yet to change. And that is all you need to do. Where you want to set the glass icon on your Samsung. Now go back to settings. On the settings, scroll down. Click on security and privacy. Scroll down, click on auto blocker. And then turn on auto blocker again. Now this won't affect the icon pack you are using on your phone once you've installed the icon pack as instructed. Now if you want to change back the icon pack on your phone, all you simply need to do is go back and open the Good Lock application on your phone. Once you open the Good Lock application, locate and click on theme pack. Now if your theme pack is set to theme, go ahead and select icon. Locate the glass icon we created. Click on it. Then select on API. Then click on the glass icon again. Click on delete. Then you see the glass icon deleted. Select default. Click on apply. Then you should see apply icon. Now hang on a couple of seconds for this icon to apply. And then you should have your default icon back. So if you don't want to use the glass icon again on your Samsung phone, you can easily switch from the glass icon back to the default icon. Or go back to your themes and download your choice of icons. So that is exactly how to set up or install glass icon on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.